Couple of treats to show you today. This Massey 390T, what a machine. But it's not that we're looking at. It's our bread and butter best selling flail mower from MDL Powerup. This is the Fortis 220 with the powered side shift option. We've got these back available for immediate dispatch. 220 centimetre cut and 200 centimetre cut, both available. Fine piece of kit, really nice to work on these things. Really accessible grease points. Roller and rotor on that side. Same again on the belt side. 4 drive belts on this for brilliant power transfer. Grease access point behind that grommet there. Now, one of the fantastic features on this that our customers like is this rear door, which we've got in the open position for you here. Nice and easy access to the flails for maintenance. Heavy duty hammer flails on this thing. Particularly this time of year, there's still a little bit of dampness around. Keeping that door open allows it to give a really good throughput, so you can get through the work really fast. You can close the door down, it will mulch up to make it easier to compost. There we have it. Perfect colour for this Massey 390 as well. Not our usual colour, this one, but it's kind of backed by popular demand, so really shows it off well. Okay guys, check the website for more information or give us a call, WhatsApp. Thank you.